Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make your own custom nodes, how to upload your materials to the website, and how to save any custom node so that you can save different custom nodes from different materials. So let's go. So I'm going to use this Pearly noise for my height example. So for custom node, I'm going to teach you how to make a node which will expand any height scale, okay? And also how to contract any height scale, contract or shrink. So let me first show you where I have used such technique for expansion and shrinking. So let me show you the materials. So this is the organic material where I have used the expansion method. In the moss material and this hammered material where I use the method of contraction. I will teach you different way to shrink or expand here. But these are some of the examples where I've used such similar techniques. I'm not sure whether I've used it in cheese or not, but there you go. Definitely here and in snow. So let's back to the Material Maker and let's start with the expansion one. So first blur, okay. And by the way, we will control all the parameter in the custom node itself, like the sigma or intensity of the. Right now, I'm just going to make it probably 3. So after using the blur, you will have to use the multivar. Make sure that this is maximum and use the same height from the blur. Did you see the expansion? But decrease the intensity to probably 1.25, only 1.5 to make it more visible for you, and the quality maybe 25. By the way, you can control the quality and intensity in the custom node itself. I will show you how. But first, see the result. Let me bring back the 3D model. So here is the expanded one. I'm also going to show you the result before that. Just wait for a second. So here is the expanded Perlin noise and here is the normal Perlin noise. And in just few seconds, I will teach you how to shrink any height. Just wait. It will not take much time. So first we will use the blur and the multiwarp. And in multiwarp, I'm not going to use the same height, but I'm going to invert this height or the output coming from the blur and use this as the intensity. And instead of max, I'm going to use minimum. Did you saw the difference? If not, you will see right now. See, just 1 second, it is loading. So here is the shrinked version of per noise. Here is the normal per noise. If you want to see the both expanded and the shrinked one, let's wait again. And here it is. This is the expanded one, and this one is the shrinked one. So you have already made this effect, and now I will teach you how to save this custom. So in order to save it, first select all those nodes which you have used to generate those effects. For example, this blur and multiwarp, and then go to the tools and create group. Okay, and select all the parameters that you would like to control in the custom nodes. So I would like to control the intensity of blur. I would like to control the intensity of multiwarp. I will also like to control the quality of multiwarp and the size of the blur and the size of the warp. Right. So first, I hope you were seeing it, but you have to select this icon and then size of the multiwarp. Okay. And by the way, if you hover over here, it will show you which parameter it is controlling. Right. So now just go and change the name. This was blur intensity, so just select B and leave blur. I for intensity. Okay. And this is warp intensity. This is your quality. Okay. And this is your blur size. and this is your warp size. Okay, and in order to come back, just double click anywhere in the blank space, and now you are back, and this is your custom node. So here is your expansion node. So how are you going to save it? So in order to save this custom node, just select this node, okay, and then go to the tool and select your user library. Okay, and here you can give any name and make sure the name does not matches some of the node or any name in this already existing nodes. Okay, so just give unique name. For example, I'm going to name it as, this is my initial, SKEXP for expansion. Okay, and click OK. And now anytime if you search for SK, this will come up. Okay, so let's check whether it is working or not. I'm going to delete that one and use our custom node which we have just created. Let's see if it is working or not. So it seems to be working. Let's change some parameters. See, it is working. Now do the same thing for this shrinkage one. So I'm going to select these three. I'm going to increase the pace. So select these three and go to the two. Or instead of coming here all the time, you can just select these three and click Ctrl G. So now select all the parameters, blur, intensity, and quality, and the size of blur and warp. Double click, come back, and then save. You have to save. Just select this node, come here, and add selection to the library and use the library. I'm not going to do it because I have already made this custom node. Let's just check it. This is as contract or as sync, whatever you would like to name it. Just wait for a second. So here is the result, and again you can control the warp from here. I hope you can see the difference, right? So you have learned how to make the custom nodes and how to save any custom nodes. By the way, this is my curvature custom node. If you want to save it, now you know how you can save any of my or any custom nodes. Just select the custom nodes, go to the tool and add selection to the library. Yes, and go to the user library. And also don't name your custom node one of the names which is already present in the library because it's going to delete, I think. So yeah, give it a unique name. So now let's go. How are you going to upload your materials? For example, you made this wonderful candy material. I made it yesterday, and now you want to save it. So in order to save your or upload your material to the website of the Material Maker, first you have to log in. I've already made the account on the website, so I just have to do the login. Just wait for a few seconds. So now this is connected, right? This was the icon which I used for login. I just wanted to show you again in case you missed it. And this global icon you can select. This is showing send material to the website, and here. So here you can change the 3D preview. You can select cylinder, cube, or 3D preview, which is your current preview. But I'm going to use my sphere. Let's name it candy. And I'm going to select the name in the tags as well. Possibly give another tag as stylized. You can choose your tags and name according to your material. And license, you can select CC0 or CC BY. I don't know the exact difference, but CC0 means everyone can use your material as a free source. And even though I don't change the license to CC0, but I also want anyone to use the material, but I always forget. And I believe this is CC BY by default. So maybe in CC BY you have to give credit to the author. But anyways, so after choosing all these parameters, you just have to click OK. And let me show you if it is uploaded or not. Just go to the Material Maker website, go to the assets, and here is our material uploaded. By the way, this is my name, sort of. You can click here and see all of my materials. This is all the material I have created in Material Maker, from candies to apples to watermelon to potato and whatnot. And chocolate. By the way, there is one another chocolate here. Grapes. I have lots of material that I've created all the time. I love creating stylized material. And yeah, back to the Material Maker. So I hope you understood how to make your custom node, how to save your custom node, and how to upload your materials. Please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and share it with your friend. See you in the next one.